Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. Oh yeah, tilt that back a bit. Let's get the light on it.
Now there's something I bet you didn't think you'd see today.
Good morning, people of the internet. Monday morning, just unlocking. I'll be right with you. Okay, a couple of batteries to go on charge. Let's check this one, see if this one's green. It is green, so that's good. Oh no, the Sony's done as well. Awesome. So I think everything is charged up. Bit overcast today, but it's not raining. Gotta be happy about that. So I think I'm probably going to make the frames up for these two today. Maybe even that one as well. Yeah, let's make some frames up. Yeah, some lots around. Alright, what I want to do now is go turn off the extractor. Ed was doing a base coat Friday, so I'm going to go and get that looked at and the extractor turned off. Going to get noisy. Let's get the extractor off. Oh, there we go. You can hear something now. Let's pop some lights on. Let's go looky. Okay. That's good, that's nice. Nice and smooth, as we wanted. The sheet that I rubbed down, nice and clean. Excellent. That's the one from the live stream. Looking good. Okay. So I'm going to try and get that one hung on the other side of here. I'm not sure if it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try, see what I can do. That'll work for me. That will do. It's hanging, it's free floating. Rotated the other one around. I think that'll work. It's good. Right guys, not that it's worthy of videoing, but I just spent 3 hours just tidying bits and pieces up behind the scenes. It gets so messy when you're busy and you don't get time to tidy it up, so I thought, right, there's the opportunity to get some of this stuff done. Like chiseling off the bits of block resin off the floor, where we had a little bit too much and Ed popped them on the floor. They literally welded themselves to the concrete, so I had to cut those off. The rest of the resin that was in a broken box, get that gone. Tidy up some of the plyboard that I used into one of the corners. Tidy up the cardboard boxes from stuff when we send overseas or we send out through the country. Just general things like that, and it builds up and builds up and builds up until the point where you go, got to do something. So that's what I've been doing. And I've got more to do, so I'll get on with that now. There we go. It's a bit better in here. There's a lot of stuff behind the scenes that we need. There's a crate down there for overseas, there's bubble wrap, there's normal wrap, various rugs that we've picked up and moved when they've got soaked from the ceiling. If you watch regularly, you'll know about the ceiling and when it rains. But a lot better. These are big paintings. They need a lot of packing materials, and I need a lot of wood and various things to make the contraptions that I make. So there's a lot always behind the scenes, and my next port of call is going to be this lot and get all this hoovered up because it's looking messy. I might actually start making some frames, which is what I originally was going to do 5 hours ago. Time to finally get to making those frames up. and then I'm going home. Frame number 4 made up, so that's progress there. 2 there, and another one's out here. So I'm just going to pop this next to painting. Ready. So that's for this one here. So that's that on the floor there. Ready to go. The other 2 in the back room for those, and the one made up there. So time to lock up and head home. Well, that's it for another day. Oh. Cleaning. Lots of cleaning. We haven't had a chance to do it, so it's got to be done, isn't it? We'll see you tomorrow.
Right, we've just finished stretching these 2 on their frames. Going to go out this weekend to the client, see which one they prefer. These were the couple that came about 3-4 weeks ago, I think. Probably already seen that on the vlog. And they came and created their own. So now, within just a few days of being able to see just exactly how amazing their creations are. And they have just come out utterly magnificent. I know I've got a preference. Let me know if you have. Drop us a line in the comments. Both looking pretty stunning and pretty spectacular. Okay, let's have a look at number 3 of the day.
Oh yeah, tilt that back a bit. Let's get the light on it.
Now, if that doesn't say tropical undersea kingdom, I don't know what does. That's what it reminds me of anyway. Look, I love this at the top. Let me bring it around so you can see, because we're going to put it on the stand in just a second. I love all these dots at the top, but the textures on here, look at that. That's crazy.
So we can get the angle to see the textures there.
Actually, a very unusual colour combo. I don't know if we've done that before. It looks awesome, dude, so I reckon we'll get it on the stand. On our new stands.
New stand.
New stands. Get some natural light on it.
Oh, it's got some stuff going on there, hasn't it?
Hasn't it just? Lovely job, mate. Lovely job. Now there's something I bet you didn't think you'd see today. 80 up on the table. Almost 3 metre camera slider in operation. Trying to get some what will be incredible shots of this new artwork. One we did a couple of weeks ago.
4K 50 frames.
How's it looking there, mate?
Right, so let's get us set for where we want to start.
So there's the battery pack. There's the slider, which if you saw last week's vlog, you'll know about the trials and tribulations of building that. I've got a feeling this is going to give us some absolutely unbelievable shots. Well, it has to be if he's got himself perched on the edge of the table like that.
Well, that was pretty awesome. That was checking the rail worked out in the gallery. That was checking some angles out. That was a pretty good experiment. It's home time now, so I'm going to get wrapped up and get out of here.
If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Wednesday, we're in, and look, Ed's wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts because suddenly the humongous ball in the sky, the orangey thing that has flames coming out of it and photons, all sorts of gases and everything, has made an appearance. Oh, there it is. Oh, shiny. Ugh. It's positively balmy again. It's the oddest thing, because yesterday it was raining and cold. Hey, Welcome to Britain.
And there we go. It's finally on the stand, which is the first time we've been able to do that. I wish actually you could stand there right in front of it, because it is pretty imposing, but it is amazing, especially when you look at some of these effects and textures. I know we've probably videoed this already, but when you finally get it up on the wall and you can stand actually really close in the way that you'd stand and see the painting anyway, it's just mind-blowing, honestly. I can't believe the textures and the volume of paint, because there's a lot of paint on it. It just looks absolutely stunning. So I think everybody on the live stream is going to be very, very pleased to see that tonight. Let's go some canvas, man. Right, thank you. Okay, so I'll get some canvas cut now for tonight's live stream, and then we're going to get the table in, because we're going to be using the tilt and pan spin table this evening, somehow anyway. So a little bit of work to do. In fact, we need to really get that in first, don't we? So let's pop that there, see how we get on.
Right, live stream done. Ed's feeling pretty rubbishy now, so just gonna get heading home. Been a long one, isn't it, buddy? Well, for you anyway. So he's under the weather.
Right, yeah, as Adi says, that's a long old live stream, which always feels particularly hard work, especially when you're feeling a little bit under the weather, which you could probably hear in my voice. I think I'm nursing a fever or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, it's definitely time to go home now, but we just didn't want to let anyone down. So you do what you do, don't you? And do your best. Oh, I found the light. Happy days. Right, time for Adi to drive me home, I think. Okay, here we are on Friday. Sun's out, surrounded by beautiful art. Now, we've got to go and pack a couple of paintings ready to go out to a client. So we're going to go and see them, not too far away. I'll have a little road trip out today. And we're going to do a little bars order, because there's some rather nice paintings out here. Let me go around their frames. I'm definitely going to get some bars organised. Let's go see what we can do. What do you think of that, bud?
A lot going on.
Just to put this in the light, because of course we've got the sunshine today. Oh, wish you could be here and see this. It's just literally light. In all its glory, it's amazing. There you go, that's the shot. You see, between normal light and sunlight hits it. Wow. Actually, with your finger on it, you can see the reflection of your finger in it.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's very bizarre. I think that there was a hole there. That is smooth.
Because look on here on the camera, it looks.
Yeah, there's a tiny amount, but it's not what it shows. And these little scales almost looking.
Yeah.
There we are.
See, those got a bit of texture to them. Oh, it's very weird. Right, that's the bars just picked up. Time to get them inside, made into some frames.
So Ed mentioned earlier on, we're going to a client, so I've got 2 to wrap, so I'm going to get on with those now.
everybody. So we painted on Wednesday's live stream. Now we're going to go and have a first look just at, to see what amazing thing was created. I can't wait to see this. This is genuinely first time I've seen it. We used the tilt and spin table, and now let's go and have a look, see what it actually looks like now that it's cured. Wallop. Oh, I say hello. Yes. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wow. Well, that's just exceeded my expectations completely. Look at that. I do get very, very excited about what we do here. With good reason, because there's nobody else doing it anyway. Oh, this feels incredible. Oh, I wish you could put your hands on that. Wow, let's just rotate it a little bit more. I'll get it off and we'll put it on the floor in a minute. That is gorgeous. Got to the client's house. Let's go say hello. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
Come in.
We're a little bit late. I did send you an email just saying we were about half an hour late.
Don't worry, it doesn't matter.
Because I haven't got a mobile
I'm
for you or
here.
anything. You're here, that's all.
I'm here.
Right, well, Adie's just opening the back of the van, so if we go and get a painting each, bring it in, and we're going to have a look, shall we?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes,
Super. Thanks very much.
thank you. And I'm glad it's not raining.
Yes, I'm not raining as well.
Yeah.
Right, we're in here, through here, aren't we? Marvellous. Excellent. Very glad to hear it.
Yeah.
There we go. Right. So that's going to be nice. Good. Well, we've got a full wall now to play with.
Yes.